with here in our fridge. So here's our fridge. What's this? We have our Greenwich. We have our cake, our mango, lechon. So we have no lights because it's broken. So I'm gonna pick up this Greenwich. I'm gonna pause it for a while. So here's the Greenwich we bought kanina lang. So here, ito yung Greenwich. I'm gonna pause it for a while again. So I have with me this Greenwich pizza. So I'm gonna eat this without a ketchup. Yeah. Yummy. Yummy. So I'm here with my sister Nikki. What can you say with the with
fucking awesome.
What can you say? Italikod ako. Okay lang, masarap naman to. Yummy.
Walang ano? Walang ketchup ya.
Time check, it's already 10 o'clock in the evening. So I'm still hungry, so oops. I'm gonna eat this bacon. I don't know what's this, but it's yummy. This pizza has a pineapple. And what do you call this? It's like a bacon. And it has a vegetable here thingy. Yummy. Yep. And that's my tita there. Say hi. Say hi.